Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have an idea that I want to share with you, my community people. So there is this forwarder that I talk about whenever I'm unboxing my goods that comes from China to the UK. So I feel that this idea is going to benefit Nigerians, people in Nigeria, and maybe Ghanaians as well. You know, when it comes to shipping, when it comes to inspection of goods. You understand? Because I remember, I think like 2 months ago, someone chatted me that if I have someone who can help her to inspect her goods in Skyjet, I was like, that's not possible. I don't get person. I chat with Skyjet people, or if na Sky Cargo they use, chat with them. He said no, that what actually happened is that she want to ship freezer, and through sea shipping, she told Skyjet to open the freezer and put other things that she ordered inside the freezer before shipping, like putting, if she bought shoes, bags, inside the freezer is empty, so they should help her and put everything inside to reduce the cost of shipment. You understand, the shipping fee. So Skyjet said no, that they don't do that. I was like, really? Is that the issue? He said yes. I said that's very bad. That's very bad, because when you are when you are into this kind of business as a company, I believe that the mission of the company should be to help customers, to prioritize customers' needs. What stops them from packing all those things and consolidating it inside the freezer, so that this thing can reduce, because she's doing sea shipping, so it can reduce the size of her goods, and she will pay less money for shipping. All these people, most times they are just very greedy and insensitive. Me, I feel that before a customer even asks you to do that for him or her, the company is supposed to use their own initiative to carry out that service for the customer. But they refused, and she ended up paying a lot of money for shipment. So that's why, and some other people chat me to talk about, please, can they do, this company do inspection of the quality of the goods? Can I know it first before they ship it? And most of all these Nigerian companies, they don't do that. In fact, most times if you chat with them and send them message that, please, can you open this package to check for me and send me a picture of, I want to know the quality, they will not reply. Sometimes they might even say no. I send message to some of them, 2 weeks like this, they will not reply. So that's why I'm coming up with this idea to share with you guys, that the forwarder that I'm using to ship from China to the UK, I also use him to ship to other countries, other European countries, Italy, France, Belgium, and even US, Canada, Australia, like that. He ships to them. So this is how this guy does his service for me. Very good. When suppliers send my goods to his warehouse, when everything is complete, so everything is complete, if I buy from 20 suppliers and he has received the 20 packages, I will send him all the tracking numbers of all my packages. He will now open them and snap each one. When it's snapping, this is what it does. When it's snapping the product, it will snap the way the package was delivered. That's a place where they normally print the information, the address, the name, and the tracking number on. It will snap that one, and also snap the package that came inside that package that has that tracking number. So if it is shoe that I bought, it will snap the way it was delivered, snap that front where the tracking number is, so that I'll know that it's like this. So it will snap everything, whether shoe, bag, or talking about bag, that was how I ordered one unicorn school bag. I unboxed it in one of my video. I ordered the unicorn school bag for my daughter, and the supplier sent a different bag. This one, he sent a man-made bag. Immediately the guy snapped it and sent to me. I was like, no, this is not what I ordered though. What I ordered is a unicorn bag. I quickly sent him the picture. He said I should chat with the supplier. So I sent the picture that he sent to me, sent it to the supplier, and told the supplier that this one you sent to me is different from what I ordered. Look at what I ordered now. He said, oh, it's the warehouse fault, that they will resend it to me, that I should return that one. I said, who is going to bear the cost of returning it? He said they will bear it, but I should pay. After I pay, they will send the money back to me when they receive the package. That was how that guy helped me to send it back to them. I sent RMB, I think 12 RMB to him. He sent it back, and the supplier received it and now sent the real one that I wanted, you know, and he snapped it and sent it to me. So in this case, you see that if he doesn't do all these things, like he doesn't inspect goods, it's more like inspection, because he snaps them and send even if na 50 items now, so it take the snap. Even my other customers that I buy goods for, all my customers in Italy, France, Belgium, I usually open account for them. Like I open account for a group. Open a group on WhatsApp for the 3 of us, myself, the customer, and the forwarder. So when everything complete, it sends all the pictures. There's one customer, that reminds me, there's one customer in Italy that I bought 2 pairs of shoes, kids shoes, for her. When this guy received everything and snapped and sent in the group, it was even the customer that quickly recognized that, hello ma, this shoe is different, so this design is different from what I ordered. Look at what I ordered. I was like, oh, thank you, let me reach out to the supplier. So I reached out, I sent the picture to the supplier and said, this is what you sent, oh, is wrong, you sent a wrong design, a wrong shoe instead of this one. So the supplier now said, no problem, we should return it. So that same guy returned it, and he sent the original one that I wanted. You see, if this guy didn't do all these things, we will just receive a package and now start vexing and be like, oh my god, this supplier, and I cannot return it. You know that something wey don't reach Nigeria or don't reach UK, you won't come, they return and they go back to China. You know it's not really that possible. Even if it's possible, you might end up spending more than the amount you used in buying and shipping it. You understand? So that's why I'm coming up with this idea that if you want to inspect your goods, you want your goods to be inspected, quality check, or you want it to be consolidated by, let's say you bought a box, a traveling box, and you bought other things. Like one of my customer in I think in France, she bought some boxes, and myself too, I bought some boxes, you know, and she told me that, see, before I even told this guy to consolidate the goods inside the box, that he just did it and snapped the picture and sent to her. I was like, yeah, that the guy is very considerate, he's very good at his job, and he's very calm, he responds very fast. If you are looking for a shipping company that you send message to 24/7, he go respond. I'm telling you, I've done video call with him, but he said he doesn't understand English, but I insisted and we did video call. He sent me videos of how he packs goods. You know, he repackaged goods a lot, and if you want him to remove carton from shoes, remove carton from this, repack everything, he does that. So that, as I was saying, that's why I'm coming up with this idea that if you are in Nigeria or in Ghana, and you are looking for someone in China that will receive goods from supplier and show you video pictures of everything and help you to remove, repackage, consolidate inside freezer, inside boxes, you know, anyhow you want it, this person is just the best person for you. I recommend him 100% for you, because that's what he does for me. I'll be displaying all the pictures of how we do, all of how he does it for me on the screen, so you see. I always like to show evidence, you know. So if you want his contact, if you want to work with him, I've given him, I've talked to him about this before coming here to share the idea with you. So he said that he will be charging 5 RMB per kg if he wants to do all these things for you. And I think he said it includes shipping to the destination. Like you can now send them, if you are using Skyjet for example, or using Sky Cargo, using Vinx, using any other shipping company that you are using, you can now send them your the shipping address. So send him the shipping address. So after he does the consolidation for you, for example, now freezer you buy, you receive the freezer, you buy plates, you buy pots, you buy shoes, you buy bags. You go pack them inside the freezer for you first, then package it again, and now send it to the last destination, which is the Nigerian shipping company, because it doesn't ship to Nigeria. It only ship to all these other countries, UK, Canada, Europe, and all that. So it will now send it to your Skyjet warehouse with in your name. They will receive it and now ship it down to you, so it will reduce a lot of cost. So it says that it charges 5 RMB per kg. I think it said including delivery. I think so, including like shipping, local shipping, and to ship it to your last address that they will use to ship it down to Nigeria for you. So I was trying to bargain with him whether I would reduce it. He said no, that is the best. And I said, okay, I will come and tell my community people if they will accept to do it. So that's why I'm here. What do you guys think? If you accept it, chat me on WhatsApp. I don't usually drop my WhatsApp number on Instagram because it's too public. So if you are interested, just chat me on Instagram. My social media links are in the comment section. The one to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, they are there. So anyone you want, click on it, chat with me. Once you chat with me, I will send you the contacts, or we can even create a group and put people in Nigeria and Ghana who want to be doing this kind of thing, that you want to be checking, want this guy to be checking quality for you and all that. I can create a group and put everybody inside, so that, or if you don't want a group, just let me know the one that will be better. Just send me a DM. Then on Instagram, I'll give you my WhatsApp number, chat me, then I'll give you the person's number. But I think creating a group will be better. What do you guys think? I think a group will be better, so that you guys will be seeing, we can all relate together. So just let me know, so that we can get started. Okay, so this is the information I brought to you. Do well to subscribe if you are seeing me for the first time. If you want to be learning more about China importation, do well to subscribe. And if you are outside the country, you are in the abroad, or you are in Nigeria, you are in Africa, and you want to learn, send me a DM. I do trainings, and all that. And I'm currently working on my course, like my digital course, guys. So I'm going to, when I'm done, I'm going to put my course on different different e-commerce websites where people can easily access it from all over the world. You can easily learn how to buy from China, whether you're inside car, you're inside bus, you're your bed, anywhere you are, you can learn it. The trainings I'm currently doing are all live trainings. I use Zoom or Google Meet, but when my digital course is ready, I'll put it online on all these applications or the website, and you can easily get access to it anytime, any day, and I will make it downloadable by God's grace. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please like the video and share it with other people so that they can get informed if they need this service, so they can send me a DM for it. Okay, so guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye.